Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find nearby friends on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on friends, and then you simply need to click on suggestions, and these are all the peoples that are near you, and you can add anyone by clicking on add friend, and you can see your suggestions here, and you can also get this feature by clicking on this option, and you can see here. So this is a process by you can find friends near you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.